Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can transfer WhatsApp from one iPhone to another. So for this you need to have your Apple ID access. If you have that, you can follow the step which I'm going to show you. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel, One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. First thing first, after you open WhatsApp, click on setting at the bottom of your screen. Now once you're inside your WhatsApp settings, what you want to do is go on where it says chats. Now once you're inside your chat, what you want to do is the option where it says chat backup, click on it. Now once you're on your chat backup, you want to click on backup now. Now what will happen is whichever Apple or iCloud you're currently logged in into, that is the place where it will be backed up. To check which Apple ID you're logged in into, you can just go on your iPhone setting and it's going to show you at the top. So this is the Apple ID which is currently logged in on my WhatsApp. So once I click on backup now, all these data will be backed up on my Kevin Apple ID. So let's wait for some time until the backing up is finished. Now once the backing up is finished, what you want to do is go on your other iPhone. And on your other iPhone, make sure you're logged in into the same Apple ID. So in my other iPhone, I need to be logged in into this ID called Kevin, alright? In your case, whichever Apple ID you just backed up your information on, that is the Apple ID you need to be on. So my backup is done. So I will see you guys on my next iPhone. So I have opened my WhatsApp on my new iPhone over here. So I click on agree. And once you're in your new iPhone, just enter your phone number and log in into your WhatsApp account. I will do that. Now once you do this, it's going to show you this option. So in this case, you do not want to click on skip. At the bottom, it says restore chat history. Click on restore chat history and it will start to pull all of your chat data from your iCloud. So on my new iPhone as well, as you guys can see, I'm logged in into the same Apple ID. So it's backing up my data and it should be completed within a second. So it depends on your Wi-Fi speed. If it's fast, it will be recovered fast. So it just kicked me out, which means I need to reopen my WhatsApp and it's still restoring. Let's wait for some time. But after this restoring phase is complete, it should work. That's how we guys can transfer WhatsApp information from one iPhone to another. I click on next. I will name this account. After naming this, it should be restored just like this. Now, it's similar to the same I had in my other iPhone. That's how we guys can do it. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.